Unfortunately, a lot of people are experiencing digestive problems. These are like bloating, constipation, candida or yeast infection, things like that. Of course, there are solutions. Like you can come to a place like this, you can detox, you can do colon cleansing. It would help a lot. But the idea there is not even curing the problem, but not creating the problem. How we can do that? Why this is happening? So the first main important issue here is the food combination. When we eat protein with carbs together at the same time, it makes digestion harder and longer and heavier. You can feel it, you know. But when you separate those and put some greens and vegetables in between, either you eat them with carbs separately or with protein separately, your digestive problems will be eased 50% in one day. I'm telling you, just try and see. This is so important. And there are little principles that you can apply which makes it even better. For example, don't drink water with food because it dilutes the enzymes which will digest the food. So either before or after. Fruits, don't eat the fruits after the meal but before the meals, you know, because let's say you ate a steak, 8 hours it will be digested, and when you eat some strawberry, for example, it will wait there to be digested for 8 hours and it will get fermented and you get bloated. So if you eat before, in 30 minutes it will be digested and then you can eat whatever you like afterwards, you know. So these are little principles that makes it so much more better. Then you're not gonna have these bloating and gas problems actually. You can use a little bit probiotics and digestive enzymes also, like good bacteria are so essential to create a better flora, you know, for not to have any constipation problems and so on. Digestive enzymes helps to digest the food, you know. You can have it like after the meals, like 2 tablets of digestive enzymes helps the digestion. Let's say you ate something hardly digested outside, and when you come home, if you take digestive enzymes, that will help. And psyllium husk powder, fiber, either supplement or naturally if you eat more fiber, that will be okay too. And moving, again, like walking, creating the flow in the system, that will help a lot again for constipation and bowel movement problems. And also using good oils like olive oil, you know, that will help again for bowel movements, constipation and digestion problems. So if a person do that, even in one day, I'm saying 75% it will be healed. When you eat bread, meat, cheese, pasta, meat, if you eat those kind of things together, you will get constipated instantly. It depends on what we do. You know, it's not our machine is broken, you know. If you do the right things, this machine will work better. If you do wrong things, then it will get blocked. It's that simple, you know, logic. So actually this food combination thing is something like that. We don't put all the white, black and colorful clothes to the washing machine at the same time, right? So we shouldn't put all types of food at the same time into our digestive system also. So we need to be aware of that a little bit. Like we need to chew well, slowly, you know, because our stomach doesn't have any teeth. When we have only 2 bites and then send it to the stomach, of course there will be bloating and gas. So normal. So we should be, you know, compassionate a little bit with ourselves also and be more aware. So this is one of the most important criteria to prevent digestive problems. And another one is magnesium for constipation. Additional to the other criteria I mentioned. This is very important mineral that helps for constipation. So daily, I guess we should be using. However, of course, I always recommend to do a checkup yearly and see what's missing, what's not. If you're, maybe your magnesium levels are normal, so you shouldn't have more, Everything should be in balance. If you're lacking magnesium, then also you need to have magnesium supplements to support the digestive system also.